What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm going to show you guys a sniper AUD USD sell that I caught obviously for myself and the team. Let's hop straight into this. So first things first, as you can see the trade here, got the perfect rejection off this area, and then I actually took profit at around 80 pips here, as you can see. But as you can see, we have continued further, and obviously I'll go into my ideology of why I quit at that level and everything like that. But first things first, let's go into how I found this setup. So let's go to the 4 hour. So as you can see on the 4 hour, guys, what have we got here? We have what we obviously call a bullish channel. So as you can see here, we tend to, obviously, when we hit these levels, as you can see, when we get the touch, what do we tend to do? We come up and then we come down. We come up to these levels, we tend to get seller's control, and then we tend to retrace, as you can see. And this trend follows all the way up. Obviously, these levels haven't quite hit the level, but of course, we've got some play around this area here. What do we get? We get the sells down. And again, from my trade level, we get the area up here, as you can see. So every time we hit these levels, we tend to get the seller's momentum and to the downside for a nice, obviously, opportunity to take trades from. So then let's zoom into the 1 hour here of exactly how I was seeing this trade. So as you can see, the market has come up. I've got the rejection off this level and the trend line. My alert went off. Then I've waited for the close of that next hour, so that when this hour closed, I entered this trade here. And then as you can see, a seamless trade all the way down to the 0.65 and 408 level. So let's firstly go on to why I targeted the 0.65, 408 levels. As you can see, looking to the left, we have a big level around here, as you can see. A big rejection point. Let me zoom in a little bit more, as you can see. Even when we come down from this level, look, we get the big rejection and then we come up, right? Big rejection on the other side. When we go, obviously, as a resistance point instead of support, we come up, we get the rejection, and then we go down. So this is a huge level of interest, which is why I called it quits this level, because we could have easily rejected this point and then continued to the upside. And then, of course, I wouldn't be able to maximize as much profit as I wanted to on the trade, which is why I called it quits at this level here. Obviously, we still managed to catch an amazing trade. Obviously on this, but I wanted to show you guys kind of what this looks like for me when I was obviously looking at this trade. So let's grab out the replay tool and let's replay this out. So as you can see, let's get rid of this. So we're on the 1 hour, we're replaying exactly what I was seeing. So this is kind of what it was looking like, as you can see. So market's kind of just playing around this level. So I'm saying, okay, I'm gonna wait for the market to come up, hit this trend line if we get it, and then take the trade as we've seen before. Seller's momentum comes into the market, and then we can see that trade come to the downside. So let's play this, and we'll see it go through the motions. So as you can see, the market comes up, got a nice sharp bullish momentum actually, and then as you can see, it's come up, it's rejected my level here. As you can see here, I have entered the market at the close of that hour candle here. Reason why is because I always wait for the hour close, because we could have easily have just gone with momentum and then just continued obviously through. So I wanted to make sure that we actually got that rejection obviously on paper there, and we've confirmed that by the nice wick we got off the level there. So I've entered at this level, and then as you can see, let's let this play out. We got we were just playing around break even, and as you can see, just an absolutely seamless trade to the downside. Actually took a TP1 at 0.65883. Reason for that is because we had a resistance there before. So I've taken a partial at this level, trade from there, running completely risk-free. So we're just letting that run. And then of course, I let the trade run all the way down to the final target here at the 0.65408 levels, for a total of, as you can see here, 80 pips, literally right on the nose. And then obviously, as you can see, It actually continued all the way further down, but that's absolutely fine because we caught a killer trade. And the risk to reward ratio on that trade, 7.17. I risked 11 pips. So talking about the stop loss, say if we were in this trade, my stop loss obviously would have been break of the trend line, break of this zone up here, 0.66353. So if I got the break above this low zone, I would have been out of the trade in 11 pip loss. But we got an absolutely sniper entry there, bullseye right on the head, all the way down to 0.65 and 408 levels. So a really, really nice, obviously seamless trade for myself, obviously the team. Now, obviously, if you guys want any information, obviously about how obviously I am able to trade like this, how I'm able to spot these setups daily, I'm going to be putting a video linked on this video so you can check it out. I break down step by step exactly the process of my trading, a 3-step breakdown of how I keep everything very, very simple and how I'm able to find high probability setups taking only 1 hour a day. Now, I'm also going to put the profit on screen as well. So yeah, if you guys want any information on how I'm able to find setups like this daily and how you can actually get this strategy under your belt as well, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or leave a comment below. And other than that, we're going to be looking forward to the next trade. Obviously, everyone in my community and everything like that. That is the breakdown of AUD USD sells, as you can see. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Let's get it.